In today's fast-paced digital world, content creation is more demanding than ever. Whether you're a YouTuber, blogger, podcaster, or social media influencer, you're constantly juggling multiple tasks: scripting, editing, designing, marketing, and more. The workload can be overwhelming, but what if there was a way to streamline the process, cut down on time, and boost productivity without sacrificing creativity? That's exactly where AI tools come in. These cutting-edge technologies are designed to help content creators work smarter, not harder. From writing and video editing to graphic design and audience analytics, AI has transformed how creators approach their work. The goal is simple: let AI handle the repetitive, time-consuming tasks so you can focus on creativity and strategy. No more getting stuck on minor edits, spending hours researching topics, or struggling with engagement strategies. With the right AI tools, you can optimize your workflow and make content creation easier than ever. Let's dive into some of the most powerful AI tools available for content creators today, how they work, and how they can revolutionize your creative process. AI for writing and script generation. Writing is one of the most time-consuming aspects of content creation. Whether it's a blog post, a YouTube script, or social media captions, coming up with engaging, well-structured text takes effort. AI-powered writing tools can help speed up the process without sacrificing quality. 1. ChatGPT and other AI writing assistants. AI language models like ChatGPT, Jasper, and WriteSonic can generate high-quality text based on simple prompts. These tools are perfect for brainstorming, drafting, and even fine-tuning written content. Need a YouTube script? Provide a short outline, and AI can generate a well-structured script in minutes. Struggling with blog posts? AI can suggest ideas, write paragraphs, or even entire articles based on your chosen topic. Looking for catchy captions? AI can generate multiple variations so you can pick the best one for your social media posts. AI writing tools help eliminate writer's block and ensure your content is engaging, error-free, and optimized for your audience. 2. Grammarly and PowerTingate. Even if AI helps you generate content, proper editing is essential. Grammarly and PowerTingate use AI to analyze grammar, spelling, and readability, ensuring your writing is polished and professional. These tools don't just correct mistakes, they provide suggestions to enhance clarity, conciseness, and overall impact. If you're writing scripts, articles, or even email newsletters, AI-powered editing tools help maintain quality and professionalism. AI for video creation and editing. Video is one of the most powerful content formats, but it's also one of the most time-consuming to create. AI-powered video tools can help streamline the process. 3. Runway ML and Adobe Sensei. AI video editors like Runway ML and Adobe Sensei allow content creators to automate tedious editing tasks. Features include background removal without a green screen, automatic object tracking, AI-powered color grading and enhancement, instant video resizing for different platforms. These tools help speed up video production, giving you more time to focus on storytelling and creativity. 4. Descript for AI-powered editing. Descript is an AI-powered video and audio editing tool that makes editing as simple as editing text. Its standout features include automatic transcription of videos and podcasts, text-based video editing, delete words in the transcript, and they're removed from the video, AI voice cloning for seamless overdubs, filler word removal to make speech sound polished. If you create educational content, tutorials, or podcasts, Descript can save hours of editing time. 5. Pictory AI and Synthesia for AI-generated videos not comfortable on camera. AI-generated video tools like Pictory and Synthesia allow you to create professional-looking videos without filming anything. Pictory AI converts scripts or articles into fully edited videos with stock footage and AI narration. Synthesia lets you create AI-generated avatars that can deliver your script in a lifelike manner. These tools are game changers for explainer videos, tutorials, and corporate content. Final thoughts: the future of AI in content creation. AI is not replacing human creativity, it's enhancing it. By automating repetitive tasks, AI tools free up time for creators to focus on storytelling, strategy, and engagement. The key to success is using AI as a tool, not a crutch. AI can generate content, but human creativity adds the authenticity and emotion that audiences connect with. As AI technology advances, content creators who embrace these tools will have a significant advantage. They'll work faster, create higher quality content, and have more time to engage with their audience. For those who are hesitant about AI, the best approach is to start small. Experiment with a few AI tools and integrate them gradually into your workflow. The results will speak for themselves: more efficiency, less stress, and better content. The future of content creation is AI assisted, and those who adapt will stay ahead in the ever evolving digital landscape.